Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make AI emoji on iOS 18. So at first open settings to general, software update, make sure to your update iOS 18. I'm already iOS 18.2 but okay, and like I'm open a note, click on and open keyboard, click on the sticker option and click on, then you get this option new Genmoji and type here to explain, like okay, press on to done and you just wait a few seconds, then you get emoji. So select on and showing it to more, so I'm select, then automatically add. So look here, successfully add this sticker, and look here, successfully add this sticker. So that's it, that's how you can do it.